What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the season for Christmas and I need to hang some lights. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get to that top point of the house right there, and I need to hang a snowflake up there, and I also need to get onto the top section of my garage, and I also hang a snowflake up there along other snowflakes. But the ladders that I have, they don't really have the support system that I need. So I got a tool or like a little attachment for it that might actually help me do this a lot easier and faster. So let's see what we got. All right, what we have here, it's a stabilizer attachment. Um, that will look something like this picture right there. The only reason I got this is because I want a little distance between the siding of the house and the ladder, because when I place the snow, these snowflakes are really big. So when I place them, I actually want them to be placed right behind the ladder. But when I have the ladder up, it's touching the siding. So the snowflake kind of sits over the ladder, and it's a pain to remove the ladder because there's wiring, there's a bunch of stuff. So I got this. I'm gonna assemble this. I want to attach it to a ladder and see if this is exactly what I was looking for, or I just wasted a bunch of money. So let's put this together real quick. All right, guys. So this part is basically the back of the ladder. This is the front of the ladder. This is where basically I climb up from here. So the way this is gonna get connected is basically this way. So it's gonna get connected this way with putting this here and this there. So then I'm gonna use these little butterfly screws to tighten that down. What I'm gonna do is it's not easy to have no help, but it is what it is. So you also have these butterfly nuts, but you also have these. So these, if you wanted to keep it on here and never take it off, but I'm gonna take them off because I don't want this to stay on the ladder all year round. as you can tell, I hate heights. This is the most fear I have is heights, especially on a wobbly ladder. And thank God I lost about 75 pounds, so my fear is just a little bit less, but I hate the height. But you know, it worked exactly how I wanted it to work. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. I'm gonna have it rest on actually on the window frame, which is so I can put some of the other lights up. But you know, it worked flawlessly. That's exactly what I want to do. So let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.